Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take a depth look on MOVONE wireless controller dual vibration game joystick controller for PS4. About this product. Kind remind, dual built-in shock function, new way to play, upgraded version, customer service. Introduction. Package includes functions, how to connect, PS4, Android, how to connect to PS4 without controller, how to pair, how to update, wide compatibility, specification, FAQs. What is the procedure for resetting a wireless gamepad controller? When is my game controller fully charged? What causes my controller to wobble? How do I turn off Bluetooth on my DualShock? What is the best way to charge my gamepad? What's the best way to charge a wireless gamepad? What's the best way to clean my drift controller? Is it possible to fix controller drift? Why does my controller keep freezing? Troubleshooting.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.